Barking Riverside model is a partnership between L&Q and the GLA. And we're the largest 3D printing company in the UK. We met up with L&Q and we explained the capabilities of 3D printing to them, that we can make the model faster and that it will have a lot more detail than traditional methods. We're very happy to say that they saw the innovation of this and they really got the concept, which is the Barking Riverside project.
The Barking Riverside model is currently the largest model that we've made at Hobs. A lot of model makers are using 3D printing, but no one is using it in a way that we're using it. 3D printing is the second industrial revolution. It's the largest printer in London at the moment, and what it means is that we can print large amounts of the model in a very short amount of time. You're getting a level of detail down to 0.025 millimeters. That's about the width of a human hair. Really, you should be able to walk up to this and you shouldn't know it's 3D printed. We have a partnership with a company who flies LiDAR planes over London, scans the area. We then take the data from the architects, combine that together, and then it gets sent to the printer. The parts then come off the printer, they're cleaned, and then they're ready for spray. The time you would traditionally spend producing the model, labouring over it, can now be reinvested in the finishing at the end of the project, emphasising the level of detail of the 3D print. One of the unique elements of the Barking Riverside model is the sheer amount of LED lighting that we've put in. I genuinely had to design the base for the model to be able to take my own weight because I've spent so long sat on top of it soldering thousands of LEDs together. The reason Barking Riverside and Hobs collaborated on this was that they wanted a model that could be updated as the scheme itself was updated. Up until this point, we were always limited by what we could do with our hands, and now, whatever you can think, you can make.
Barking Riverside is unique, there's no doubt about it. It's such a large opportunity. It's one of the largest redevelopment sites in Britain. The scale of the model demonstrates the scale of the ambition and the scale of the project as well.